So on this lovely Sunday, we're going to be taking a short hike up to a different mountain. This one's a much shorter distance and a lot less technical, so I'll just do a little silly Instagram story about this one today. This is a common occurrence here in Chile. I think it's very important that the kids get outside, get some fresh air and some exercise. If Finnegan was left up to his own devices, he would just stay inside and play Legos all day, which I understand. I kind of like staying inside and working on my videos and watching new updates on things, but it's very important to get out and try to do as much physical activity as possible. Like desert flowers?
I think I see something on a cactus. It looks like a spider, but it's too far away to camp. I said it weighs more than a spider. Hey! Daddy, do you want to actually get that cactus a high five?
Go ahead, you give it a high five.
Hi, you did it! It touched the cactus. Dad, it's so cactus.
Yeah, go look at it.